In 2009, my predecessor, former County Attorney Jose Rodriguez, decided that it was important to hire a litigator with experience in federal court to assist this office in pursuing its complex federal litigation, which is commonly referred to as the Catalina case. In July of last year, my predecessor offered a job to Michael Wyatt. Michael Wyatt is a lawyer with over 20 years of experience in this community. He is well respected. He is a tough, hard-driving lawyer, and the former county attorney decided that that's exactly what this office needed, because our efforts to collect money on behalf of the taxpayer is a critical role for this office. Michael Wyatt was hired in July of 2009. He was offered the job, and he started in August of 2009. And one of his primary responsibilities has been to assist in the Catalina litigation. Help was needed. We have great lawyers in this office, but the Catalina lawsuit involves millions of dollars that this office is trying to recoup on behalf of the taxpayers. It involves complex legal matters and complex factual matters. In fact, on the other side of this case are numerous lawyers who are representing the defendant. So it was important to have some assistance to help out our already good lawyers who are working full-time, not to mention the fact that in that unit, the civil litigation unit, there existed a vacancy. Michael Wyatt was hired during a hiring freeze, and the former county attorney exercised his discretion, and this is an important point. Every prosecutor in this state has discretionary funds. They're funds that that prosecutor, the county attorney or the district attorney, determines is in the best interest of the office to use. In this case, the county attorney determined that it was in the best interest of the office, as part of to defray the office expenses, to hire Michael Wyatt. Now, the county attorney could have gone to Commissioner's Court and asked the taxpayers to fund a new position because we needed help with a lawsuit, but instead he chose to use a discretionary fund that was given to him by the state of Texas specifically for the purpose of operating the county attorney's office to pay the salary of Michael Wyatt. It was done during a hiring freeze, but the county attorney, and I think this is very important, needs to have the discretion on when he or she has to make hires when it's in the best interest of the public. In this instance, the Catalina case is one of our most sensitive lawsuits. It involves public corruption. It involves allegations of taxpayers being ripped off by people who are unjustly enriched. It is very critical that the prosecutor who leads this case does so without interference from any other person who might try to control the hiring decisions.